It's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch, and while I'm normally showing you lunches and Jewish holiday recipes, I also have a real habit of making felt boards for my kids, and I thought I would share with you some Shabbat felt, as well as a Shabbat song that I grew up with, but that has like disappeared from the whole Shabbat mommy and me scene. And I recently at Shabbat class with my younger daughter was talking with some teachers who had been around for a long time, and they remembered the song. And so I wanted to share that with you today as well. So very quickly, I have shown felt on my channel before, but I just use my kitchen shears or other sharp scissors and craft felt from the craft store or fabric store. It's really inexpensive when it goes on sale, so it ranges from like 20 cents to 50 cents a sheet. And just with a few colors, I make things like a simple Shabbat set with your challah, candles and candlesticks. And it's fun for, people like my toddler and preschooler to practice Shabbat this way. I even made a challah cover and a Kiddush cup. So very simple setup. Aside from the Jewish star, which you could glue on, you don't need to have any sewing skills whatsoever for this. And this is fun if you're teaching the blessings or just for pretend play. But if you want to sing another Shabbat song, I have made a different Shabbat set that I wanted to share with you today. This, by the way, is just our art easel, and it's great. It has a lot of life in it. For today's song, it is "The Shabbat Table is Like a Princess." Please leave a comment down below if you grew up singing "The Shabbat Table is Like a Princess." Do you know that
song? Shabbat table is like a princess.
Okay, here, let's do it. Do you want to put the princess up? Okay, so for this felt, I did a little bit of sewing because my daughter insisted that sewing was better than gluing. So here, you could do this not sewn together. So first you need to put the dress up. Okay, and put her arms on her.
Don't pee. Shut your eyes.
Here, I'm gonna get them in position. Okay, bring the other arm. Okay, goes over here. Okay, bring the head. Here, I'm gonna turn her around, okay? There. Okay, great. And, okay, shall we begin singing? Okay, let's hold this till it comes up in the song. No? Okay. That's not good. Okay. 2, 3. The
Shabbat table is like a princess, like a princess.
On Friday night, she wears a crown of 2 white candles. Okay, do your 2 white candles. 2 white candles on Friday night. She fills our hearts with peace and glory, peace and glory on Friday night. She fills our hearts with peace and glory, peace and glory on Shabbat night. So that's all. You can set the table on her dress. Her dress is like the table, right? There it is. There it is. Did you like that song? Shabbat Shalom. We hope you like this Shabbat felt idea.
What do you want to eat tonight?
Oh, my little waitress is taking orders for dinner. If you have any questions, let me know, but just a pair of scissors and felt and you can pull this off. I really appreciate you watching today. Thanks so much, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye-bye.